Hey guys, Hanjo here and welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to update your art browser. So if you're using the art browser guys and it's out of date or you'd like to know if there's a new version available, then in this video, you'll learn how to update or check for update within your art browser. Now all you have to do once you're inside the Arc browser, click on the uppermost left hand side, you'll see the Arc icon, the Arc logo. It's going to be the settings. You want to click on that. And the second option within the list, it's basically check for updates. So you just need to click on that and it will go ahead and check for updates there. Now, if there is a new version available, it will do it automatic check for updates and you can simply go ahead and do the updates. And as you can see as well, I have update button there available. I also want to mention that you don't even have to really check for updates yourself. Once you have an internet connection, then this will automatically check for updates by itself and you will see a pop-up normally appeared on the lower left hand side that says your art browser is up to date and you need to restart the browser. And all you'd have to do then is just simply click that button on the lower left hand side and it will restart your art browser and it will be up to date. But you can always come here to check your latest version of the art browser. But that's how you find it, guys. This is very easy and very simple. Really hope you find it useful. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And also check out the playlist at the end of this video so that you can learn more about how to use the art browser. Thanks for watching guys and see you next time.